Bosch ABS, ESP anti-lock brake system. The common rail cartridge injection system was managed by a CDI controller, sensor suitable for longitudinal and lateral acceleration in the CAN network. Automatic gearbox with EGS5 control unit. 4x4 drive controller, mean transfer case. Electronized gear selector. Automatic air conditioning. Radio command. AAM body control and EAM central electronics, including immobilizer functions, lower button module, airbag system, and rain sensor. These are computers that manage the automation and functionality of the vehicle. The controllers are connected with each other by the CAN bus. Each computer transmits some information. For example, this frame shows the work of the starter and the speed of the wheels. This frame is responsible for the status of doors, covers, lights, wipers, and the driving state. This message communicates speed limiter status and starter operation. It allows you to break through the information thicket. This overload of information is because the drivers broadcast independently according to their own internal algorithms and programs. Some messages are more frequent than others. Those important in terms of safety or drive management appear every 10 milliseconds, others less important every 100 milliseconds or every second. In the event that the bus becomes free and two or more nodes transmit at the same time, the so-called arbitration wins. So a computer that gives its identifier and breaks the bus faster with the logical zero potential, mean ground,